So when I've come to illustrate the Puddock, I was kind of thinking the as almost sort of two stories being told. There's the Puddock in real life as he sits by the Lochan's brim, and then there's the Puddock in his own imagination about who sort of fantastic he thinks he is. And so on every page, when he's speaking about how good he is, you've got the picture on one side of him actually just speaking about it, and then on the other side, you've got this amazing version of himself for he's dressed in suits and singing in microphones, and he's surrounded by beautiful wifeys, and he's I thought that to hear them both on the same spread it kind of just lets the reader in that this is all just in his mind, like he's this is how he sees himself, but this is how he actually is in real life. There is a line I did get stuck a wee bit for the line. I'm nae going to blah, but the truth I won't tell. I believe I'm the very McPuddock himself. So if it is the very McPuddock himself, how do you illustrate that? And so I thought, well, I'm going to hate to do him as in a portrait of him in a big fancy gold frame, so I did some research into like all Scottish sort of royal traditional royal kilts and things like that, and I just did this sort of really a portrait of him that he might have commissioned himself, himself, and at the bottom I've got in a little plaque the very McPuddock himself. Okay? Aye, I think that was definitely the best I could have done there with that line, I think.